What's up, Farrer? Good evening, sir. Gary Man, it's Friday. Gary Man's a Friday guy. Gonna do an absolute basketball. Gary got a fresh case here. There we go. 2018-19 absolute from a fresh. We'll say 1 to 5 across the top, 6 to 10 across the bottom. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8. 8 and 9 are the leftovers. Put those down there. I'm just going to roll one. Wait. We got 1, 2. I just roll till we hit it. It's 1, 2, 5. How hard can it be? 6, 3. All we need is a 4. Ooh, 5. And then we'll say 1, 2 top, 3, 4 middle, 5, 6. I mean 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. 1, 2, 3 top on high tech. Altune a mic 34. Yeah, everything on my website. Links down below. I probably have like 6 Super Break products under there. But yeah, I have every one of them, some of them in case forms. If you want, just check the website below, Altune, and you can see it. Cool. No, that wouldn't fill. It took 50 hours, a little over 2 straight days, to fill the 51. It'd take a week to do that. Or then again, maybe it fill instantly. Who knows? I think if the bounty were higher, it would fill quicker. If it was like a $500 to $1,000 bounty, it would fill quicker. Ziegel, I haven't seen Fung probably in 2 months, a month or 2. I know he was having issues at work getting on, maybe, and then he disappeared. Okay. You're at, oh, you know what I forgot to do, Sharks? I just saw you post that. I forgot to put a stop limit on it. So technically it could be full right now. That 11 boxer. I'll check after this break. It could be full. I forgot. I was just letting it stay open because for every 2 spots we just add another box. I didn't put a stop limit on it. Forrest Whitley. Eloy Jimenez. Oh, nice one here. 14 of 25. That's a nice card right there. Dual tag patch autograph. Nice hit, Gary Man. Kirby Puckett. Brad Keller. Adrian Beltre. Nolan Arenado. Ozzy Albies and Griffey. Is that what happened, Farrer? Juan Soto. Real Muto, short print. Honest Wagner. Bryce Wilson. Yeah, Sharks, I just let it stay open on when we add box for every other hit. Colby Allard dual patch to 49. A nice box right here. 2 fatties. Cal Ripken. Newman. Mullins. Santana. Syndergaard, Bowers, Reyes, Bregman, Perez, Wright, no, wrong, Tom Glavine, Kramer versus Kramer, Allen, Chris Bryant high number short print, Walter Johnson, and base. ...2018 Topps High-Tech Baseball. Fowler, Hoskins. Looks like we got a red in here. Torres, Rosario. Wade Boggs is your red. That is numbered 1 of 10. 99, Gary Sanchez. Dominic, hey. Oh, I thought that was 2 Dominic Smith autographs. Never mind. Dominic Smith to 50. Dominic Smith to 99. Sandy Alcantara. And Greg Allen numbered to 50. The black one. Noah Syndergaard 150. Bridwell, Molly, Woodruff, Flattery, Alcantara, Williams, Luplo, Devers, Blackburn, Hoskins, and base. Finish with absolute first one from the case. Alex, it may have oversold by a couple boxes. I don't know. I forgot to put a stop order on it, Alex. Like I was telling you, we could break it any time. It just depends. For every 2 spots, we add a box. Looks like 7 emails came through. It might be 13 boxes now. I don't know. I'll let you know after this break, though. If it oversold, we just add another box to it. Only on those type breaks do I not put a stop order on it. So I just let it go. But I appreciate it, Alex. I'll let everybody know right after this break where it sits. And if it's an even number, we'll go ahead and break it next. Because I know people want to go ahead and see the playoff honors. So if it is an even number, we'll break it next. First, magnet card. You can order one, Kelvin. It's fine. Anyone can order one. You can keep ordering them. We'll just add boxes to it. John Wall is the first. We got a jersey of Hamidou Diallo, numbered to 199, and 99 Louis Dampier. We got Chandler Hutchinson is your magnet card. Got Triple J. Start with a jersey, 149, Lonnie Walker the 4th, and 6-way, numbered 41 of 49 basketball patch and pants, shorts, or whatever. Triple J rookie. That does it. Alrighty, I appreciate it, Gary, as always, for the Friday break. I'll get this out for you in a minute. I'll see you, buddy.